Hey friends and fans of OSG, my name is Alyssa O'Brien, Product Engineer at OSG USA, and today we're talking flat bottom drills. Now when you think of the phrase gummy work material, what do you think of? Aluminum? Stainless steel? They're not really hard materials to machine, but they can sometimes be tough to machine. In today's video, we'll touch on a specific problem that commonly plagues those trying to drill these types of materials. Gummy work materials like wrought aluminum and 300 series stainless sometimes give our customers headaches when it comes to drilling because of how springy these materials can be. When it comes to drilling, we're cutting material away at the point of the drill and then pushing what's been cut towards the back of the drill via the drill's flute pockets. During that process, the drill chip is torn and pushed and deformed in all sorts of ways. Now, what happens when the chip decides to spring back instead of curl up the way it's supposed to? Well, this is the beginning of the headache known as bird nesting. While this is a more common situation in tapping, it can happen in drilling as well. And yep, you guessed it, it happens almost exclusively in gummy materials. The composition of gummy materials can make it so that without extra consideration towards coolant, drill design, and processing parameters, the chip will never curl and break, which is what needs to happen when you're drilling. This will result in long, stringy, unbroken chips that can wind themselves around the drill, around the holder, and with effects as innocent and small as some light surface scratching on the part to as catastrophic as tool breakage. The problem with these stringers is that they can get caught up on anything, jamming up the flutes and causing production delays as they go unaddressed. Now, if you've gone up and down the recommended speed and feed chart and still can't find a way to break up those stringing chips, consider a change in drill design. Successful and productive drilling in gummy materials require a few things, one of them being sharpness. The sharper the drill is, the smoother the cutting edges of the drill will slice through the material and keep the cutting edges cooler, which brings us to the topic of heat control. If your machine is capable of running through the tool coolant and you're struggling with breaking a chip, use that internal coolant option with a coolant through drill. The cooler you can keep the drill, the cooler you can keep the chips, the easier it will be to break apart the stringer. Nothing is more effective at cooling than a solid stream of water coolant jetting right out of the tip of the drill. And it's a double win because the back pressure from the coolant will flush those chips faster and easier from the hole, decreasing your risk of chip packing. Take back control of your drilling process and say goodbye to gummy drilling headaches with the OSG ADF coolant through flat bottom drills. We offer a wide variety of sizes and lengths for both coolant through and for non-coolant through machines. Thank you for watching. For more information on these amazing drills, please go to our website at osgtool.com or dial into the phone number below to talk to an OSG customer service representative today. And for more videos like this, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.